there to have a case of light bulb.
Matt to Tony. Hey Shane, the other thing I want to do is we got to get these air scrubbers, the wheels put back on them, and get those all ready to go out. All right, get the list of them because they're going to run now. Hey, make it out.
Hey, I'm looking for a materials request form for somebody. Can I get that in the trailer or do I need to go to command?
Shane should have some in the tool trailer. If not, go to the command and they should have it. Matt to Scott. Hey, you got John checking that RH inside, and he's feeling a little stuffy. Might just concerned, want to turn that desk on if we need to for climate control. How you making out today? Good. I believe, stand by. Matt to Scott, are you in the command and is the industrial hygienist in there? He's in the command center around the corner. I don't have one on me right now, but at the command I have it. I can get you one over there. Let me get Marion to see. Matt to Marion. Hey, can you do me a favor and find a couple of my business cards and then send somebody back to the loading dock area with them, please? Okay. Actually, he'll come over to the command and pick him up. If you can give it to Tammy, please. Thank you.
He's the boss. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Well, whatever he says.
He's the boss. Okay. I got to go now.
Okay, that's fine. The industrial hygienist is making, and the safety, you got to suit up. So I apologize, but this is for everybody's safety. Let's go back around here and they'll get you suited up. It's category 3 water, so I'm not sure what we're dealing with. Yeah. Hey George, what do you got going? You're spraying the antimicrobial? Okay, that's a document which way you're going so that we can handle that later. This is Jim with the Greco Construction. We need to get him suited up and masks and everything. How are you making out on POI?
Pretty good.
Looks like you're keeping up way ahead of them.
Well, they got to turn out now.
No problem. So we're wrapping everything? Okay. Okay. I'll hook up with you later on that. Are they actually barcoding every glass or just on the glasses? Are you documenting every single glass or are you documenting just per case? Okay, sets. Okay, great. All right, thank you. Santos, doing a good job, man. Any issues?
No, right now we got one guy that little
Okay. filled out report. It's barely a nick, but it's better to be safe. Thank you. How are we looking on storage up there? How many are full?
We already got 2 full. We've got another one. Right now I got 3 guys working here.
Okay.
And we're gonna take care of it.
Do me a favor. Try to keep all the wet stuff, like the anything porous, the chairs. Try to keep them in one.
Yeah, I put the chairs 470 chairs from one.
470.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the tables another one.
Okay.
We'll get separate.
My concern is I don't like the way that's going. We got to get some dehumidification to get those moved to somewhere else. So
Okay.
I'm trying to find that answer out a little later.
Right.
Thank you. Matt to Tony. Matt Odachowski, DKI. Hey, ETA back over to the stage is about 5 minutes. If we can get that all set up, I'll be there. Sorry about that, Matt, DKI. Good, how are you? In Tennessee. Yes. Hey, can I give you a call back later tonight on that? How are we making out? Everything go good? We put a bunch of air scrubbers in here. We're pulling negative air. There's only 2 entrances to the basement from the exterior, so we weren't pulling enough negative air for the volume. So during demolition, we're trying to keep all that cross-contamination issues down. We were able to pull the pumps, which worked out pretty good. We still are pumping some of the smaller amounts, so we're good there. How you making out? Okay. How many more areas do we have to?
Well, I guess we're having issues with ground water.
Okay.
So we're dropping the 6-inch line into the sump hole.
Okay.
Once that, then they get that. The
Okay.
sump's actually hard up.
And they're gonna hardwire the sumps today?
If we can drop it, that's
Okay,
the
great.
goal.
All right, thank you. How you making out? Lights?
Lights are covered. The lights in the main electrical panel. Back up the scrubbers. We gotta go down.
Okay, because they're all here and tagged and ready to go. So, thank you. Was it the pressure switch?
Yeah.
Did you replace it?
No. Adjust it.
Okay.
Cut out sturdy cutting stick.
Okay, so we're good now. You got plenty of water? Once he gets this fixed? They're heading to Home Depot. Just pick up another pressure switch then. As a safety. I'd rather have one here in case it's at night. Matt to Mike Megan. Oh, you know what? I think I got another one. Okay, I'll give him a call here in a couple minutes. Hey, can you do me a favor? And we need to get a pressure switch for this Goulds pump while they're at Home Depot. Would you say it was again 2-stage? Two-fold. And actually, we might even have. I believe we sent that other Goulds pump down as a safety, that half horse. And it's in one of the Jackson boxes, so we might even have that now, but we still want to pick up an extra as a safety. Matt Odachowski, DKI. Can you hold him 1 second, please? Hey Shane, send a runner over to the tanker with that pump. Ed's here, he'll be waiting for it. I want the pump and all the parts to stay in this containment. This is Matt, can I help you? Hello? Yeah, sorry about that, I was on the other line. Who am I speaking with? Hey Steve. Probably, I'll get up with Manny on that. I'll know later today. I'm trying to figure things out. Hey, we got some of those foam things for your feet in there. I see you limping. You got a blister?
Yeah, I do.
See Tammy. She's got some of those cushions. All right, good to go. I'll have to. I'll hook up with Mandy later, Steve. Thank you. If she doesn't know where they're at, they're in this front desk, bottom left-hand corner.
Thanks, man.
All right, thank you. Did it have a pressure switch with it? 10-4, copy it. Got her placed. Is there anything else we need from Maryland?
I called tomorrow if I got some spare stuff coming.
Matt Odachowski.
Go in the parking truck,
Hold on one second, Craig. 1 second. Hold on. Get anything else that we need. Come to send down all the other batteries and.
I got batteries and starters covered.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Hey, Craig, on those guitars. Yeah, let me go check with Donna right now while I'm walking. I'll walk that way, but just to give you a heads up, they got it dehumidifying. They went out last night and checked on it. I mean, we gotta really get those if they're gonna save them to the Chicago Conservatory. We're setting up a PTAC unit in that bottom lower door this morning. It's supposed to hit like 92 degrees. Yeah, an air conditioner in there. Humidity was okay, but the heat today is what got me concerned, and the amount of moisture in there. But it's I'm just afraid that those guitars are. Well, it's just all the wet material in there. He's got it is drying, but just going down. It's just of concern. I can get Mike Megan to call you. He's the one that went out there last night and knows a little bit more. But the you know, all those guitars, the Jimi Hendrix and all those, we really need to get those to the Chicago Conservatory. What's the status of the POI for all those guitars out there? That private collection. Yeah. What we did was, well, no, we haven't done any. All we did right now is we took them off and blocked them all up. They went over and took pictures of everything. They FedExed the disc to the Chicago Conservatory, and we're supposed to. I spoke to Summer, and we should have a price on what it's going to take later today just to get them up there and for them to deal with it. And then I'll have Mike get up with I also have a couple other jobs. What's your point? Can you get down here by 1:30? Okay. You want to take a helicopter ride and go check out some of this stuff? All right, sounds good. I will see you a little later.